The week ahead, we'll cast our mind back to June. I'm sure many people are very aware it was very wet. We saw the devastating scenes earlier this week. Up until Wednesday, we had 130 millimetres. That's double our June average. 136 would see us having the wettest June on record. And when we tot up the totals, that's pretty likely. But we can confirm we've had the wettest April to June on record. Now, we've had more than an inch over our previous record. And I'm sure when we add in the totals, we could see maybe another inch on top of that. You'll be pleased to hear for today, at least, there is some dry weather around and some sunny spells around as well. For Wales and the southwest of England, after what was a cloudy start this morning, through the afternoon, the cloud continuing to break up, but also the chance of seeing some showers. Some of the showers at the moment just rattling their way eastwards through the home counties along the M4 corridor. Some of those arriving in East Anglia later on this afternoon. But for central areas of England into the north as well, we will see the cloud continuing to break up, revealing some sunshine. And northwest England, yes, it's still a little bit damp here, but through the afternoon, I'll be hopeful that it will turn a little bit drier and brighter. The cloud breaking here and there for Scotland, a little more hit and miss. Still some showers in the northeast, and for Northern Ireland, again, some scattered showers around. Now, as we head through this evening and overnight tonight, we see a sign of things to come. Cloud gathering in the west, outbreaks of rain as well. Mostly light and patchy at this stage, and temperature-wise, 11 to 14 overnight tonight. Now, the reason for the wet weather on Monday is this occlusion spreading its way eastwards across the country. Most of it is, as I mentioned, going to be very light, fairly patchy rain, particularly for more northern areas, perhaps a little heavier for more southern and southeastern areas of England. Following on behind, we will see brighter skies later on Monday and some heavy, potentially thundery showers. But temperatures on Monday disappointing, suppressed because of that cloud and rain, particularly in the east. And then for the rest of the week, further rain returns. It's not really the news I'm sure many people want to hear. Comes a new month, I'm afraid, doesn't really come new weather, because this area of low pressure brings this weather front on Tuesday. The low stays with us all week long. Now, on Tuesday, we see southwesterly winds pumping in milder air to the weather front, so the rain could be really quite heavy, breezy for many, windy in the southwest. Temperatures recovering by Tuesday, but still not feeling great because of the cloud, wind and rain. Now, the associated cold front pushes eastwards across the country on Wednesday, following on behind gusty, blustery showers. They'll be heavy with hail, maybe thunder as well, interspersed with some sunny spells, and we could see temperatures climbing up to 20 degrees. Now, as we head towards the end of the week, a lot of uncertainty. The low pressure stays with us, the isobars open out, so the winds ease off. And with that, the detail for the rain and the showers through Thursday and indeed Friday is really hard to pin down. But suffice to say, frequent, heavy, slow-moving showers or outbreaks of rain through Thursday and on into Friday as well. And that could give the risk of further localised flooding, potentially further disruption as well. So on Thursday and on Friday, it's set to be really quite cool, suppressed temperatures for much of the week because of the wind and rain that looks set to continue.